Hey guys, we're getting ready to do our spring parade tour with Jay and I. We're making a few stops in the Ada area, Lowell, even one in East Grand Rapids that was a knockdown and rebuild. So what do we got, Jay?
Yeah, we're going to be hitting 4 different builders of varying price ranges and styles. A lot of different stuff. A couple we're familiar with and a couple we haven't checked out before. So should be a good time.
Yeah, always is. So let's go check them out.
All right.
Hey guys, we're out here at the Parade of Homes and we made our first stop at this actually knockdown and rebuild over in East Grand Rapids. It's built by Valentino Designs. They did a really nice job. Let's go take a look.
All right, we're in the car on the way to the next place over in Ada, built by Lone Homes. It's something that the team hasn't seen before, so we're excited to see what they have to offer.
What he said.
We'll see you over there. Going to the parade's a really good way to just kind of check out the different builders and the different price ranges and see where you fall and pick out a style you like and then pursue that builder. So it's a good opportunity to highlight some of our favorites, that's for sure. Wrapping up the Parade of Homes this spring, another great time. We went through 4 pretty amazing homes and
We look pretty amazing ourselves, I must say.
I think so.
Jay and I, property brothers today, but no, we had fun looking at all the different styles and designs that these builders have to offer. It seems to get bigger and bigger every year. So a lot of fun. If you haven't done it, definitely encourage you guys to check it out.
Yeah, definitely check it out. And if you're interested in some tickets for either the spring or fall parade, we could definitely handle that for you guys. Also, if you're curious about new construction and looking to build, or if you're interested in any more information about these builders or any builders in the greater Grand Rapids area, feel free to get a hold of Kevin or I and we can get you handled. So,
all right,
good
guys.
doing business with you.
See you later.